Trump and 18 others charged in Georgia election meddling inquiry. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has been charged with attempting to overturn his 2020 election loss in the state of Georgia. He and 18 others have been indicted on counts that include racketeering and a 41-charge document issued by a Fulton County grand jury. The indictment marks the fourth time Mr. Trump has been criminally charged this year. He has denied the accusations in all cases. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis launched an investigation in February 2021 into allegations of election meddling against Mr. Trump and his associates. The list of defendants indicted late on Monday night includes former Trump lawyer Rudy Giuliani, former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, former White House lawyer John Eastman, and a former Justice Department official Jeffrey Clark. The indictment says the alleged co-conspirators knowingly and willfully joined a conspiracy to unlawfully change the outcome of the election in favor of Trump. The charge sheet also refers to the defendants as a criminal organization, accusing them of a number of crimes including false statements and writings, impersonating a public officer, forgery filing false documents, influencing witnesses, computer trespass, conspiracy to defraud the state, theft, and perjury. The most serious charge, violating the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO Act, is punishable by a maximum of 20 years in prison. The act, designed to help take down organized criminal syndicates like the mafia, helps prosecutors connect the dots between underlings who broke laws and those who gave them marching orders. Mr. Trump, currently the front-runner in the Republican Party's race to pick its next candidate for the White House, said the investigation by Ms. Willis, a Democrat, was politically motivated.
Charging 19 individuals with violations of Georgia law arising from a criminal conspiracy to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in this state. The indictment includes 41 felony counts and is 97 pages long. Every individual charged in the indictment is charged with one count of violating Georgia's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act through participation in a criminal enterprise in Fulton County, Georgia, and elsewhere to accomplish the illegal goal of allowing Donald J. Trump to seize the presidential term of office beginning on January 20th, 21. The indictment alleges that rather than abide by Georgia's legal process for election challenges, the defendants engaged in a criminal racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's presidential election result. Subsequent to the indictment, as is the normal process in Georgia law, the grand jury issued arrest warrants for those who are charged. I am giving the defendants the opportunity to voluntarily surrender no later than noon on Friday, the 25th day of August, 2023. I remind everyone here that an indictment is only a series of allegations based on a grand jury's determination of probable cause to support the charges. It is now the duty of my office to prove these charges in the indictment beyond a reasonable doubt at trial.